Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a shocking confession.
It's really not good. Some of y'all are going to think we're hypocrites.
Never say never.
Some of y'all are going to think that we sold out. And some of y'all are going to agree with us. We have toiled and toiled and toiled over making this video. We decided to do it in full disclosure, regardless of how bad it makes us look.
But the truth is, we needed a new mattress.
This one sucks so bad.
So here we are.
Here's the mattress that we currently have. All right.
We solely went on Amazon reviews, which clearly are not reliable.
No. And let me tell you how we ended up with this mattress. When we went to the new rig, we did not have the option to go to a queen size mattress, which is what we originally had. There's no way to, as you can see, there's no way that we could cut this thing down and make it a queen.
Because it's on such a thick platform.
Because it's on a platform. That right there is where we had to disable the motion lights. But
for our bed slide, our bed is the only thing that moves. So the platform cannot be modified.
Right. So we looked at a few brands and we looked at pricing, and we did not feel, after the purchase of the fifth wheel and the stuff that we had to add to it that was mandatory, like the thermostats and things, we did not feel like we should spend the money for $1,000 mattress. So what we did was we went to Amazon and we ordered a 70 by 80 mattress for this fifth wheel. Now ours,
RV King mattress.
Ours is a 70 by 80, and we ordered a 70 by 80.
Yeah.
And when it came in, it was 72 by 80, which is why you see it puckered there on the side.
Yeah, we have to pull it out every time to make the bed, and it's just, there's no room here at all. It's just right there.
Now, some of y'all are already thinking first world problems.
Yeah.
Woe is them.
Sleep is very important.
Yes. Now, we bought this mattress the day after we took delivery of this. It was delivered to our, so I mean, it went in.
Yeah, immediately.
We have not had a decent night's sleep since. And I'm not talking, we toss and turn. I'm talking our shoulders hurt. We've been to the chiropractor 3 or 4 times. Hips, back, neck, shoulder. This mattress has been absolutely one of the worst that we have ever owned.
And there was a divot, like maybe 2 days after we got it, like divots in there's a big hump in the middle and 2 divots.
It's awful. So, this is...
Well, okay. We've always said we will never be those people. We won't do it no matter what. We will never ever. Well, never say never. Because as it turns out, people that you know that you can trust, that is a lot better review than some random, who knows if they even bought those reviews on Amazon.
This mattress was highly rated.
It was.
And
it's got a nice cooling top on it, nice cover and everything. We actually had someone reach out about 6 months ago and we were like, nah, we're good.
Yeah,
because we're not going to be those people. Because every time we go to a channel that we watch all the time, they all have this mattress. And they're all promoting it. But why?
So you can call me a cynic, and I'm okay with that. I will wear that label. I tried to stay away from certain products if everybody is using it, or if you know that they got it for free, or is it a scam? Is company A giving product away for reviews and people are just saying it's a good product? So we had this company reach out to us. We turned them down twice. After getting this mattress, the pain was so bad, we were going to have to buy a new mattress anyway. So they reached out to us. And y'all, here's what's funny. They had seen my opinion. And I never said anything derogatory, but I questioned the validity of how good this product is.
And you know how he is about being challenged.
So they offered us a free 120 night sleep, and we were going to have to buy a mattress anyway. So we're going to take them up on it. And that mattress is arriving today.
Yeah. We're both pretty excited about it, actually.
We are. And the main reason why is because the mattress we have right now, it honestly,
it's terrible.
I swear, I'd rather sleep on gravel.
Ooh, that's bad. I wouldn't, but that's just me.
So it's supposed to get here today. We're going to go through, we're going to show you what the box looks like. We're going to unbox it. We're going to put it in the rig. And then we're going to show you how we safely dispose of this mattress, because you don't want to just throw it somewhere, and most Goodwill places won't take a mattress. So we're actually going to take this to the Sevierville County. I call it a dump. They call it a convenience center. All right, so there's the mattress, where the mattress is supposed to go. This is where the mattress is now. Do you want to take it all the way outside?
I don't have an opinion about that.
I feel like we might as well.
Well,
what do you think?
In the back of my mind, I'm just thinking, okay, what if the truck wrecks and we don't have a mattress tonight or something?
Well, I can tell you this. If the mattress doesn't get here tonight like it's supposed to, we're sleeping on that pull-out sofa.
Oof. Okay.
Because this is not going back in there.
Okay. Well, then I guess we can take it out.
All right. Stella, you're going to have to stay in here. Okay? All right. Y'all, I'm in trouble. FedEx said that our mattress was supposed to be here today, so I convinced Maria to put the mattress in the truck. As you can see, there's no mattress in the bed, so we're gonna have to sleep in the living room.
You can tell me I might have been right anytime now. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. I'm having flashbacks of the washer and dryer.
All right, so I want this thing right there so that when I stand it up one more time, it's upright.
Okay.
I don't want to pull a groin. All right, so can you get this thing in your RV by yourself? Absolutely. Don't look at my butt. All right. So it's clearly marked. It's simple. This is like paint by numbers. You open the top, you pull it out, you roll it on the bed, and then you unroll it. For those of y'all that have just noticed the error in this, there ain't no way in hell I'm picking that thing straight up out of the thing. So we're going to modify it. But the box is in fantastic shape. There's not a hole in it. It's still really well taped.
Well, that fits a lot better.
That fits a whole hell of a lot better.
I hope it's big enough.
All right, so yes, we did edit this video because, like ding dongs, we unrolled it wrong.
Yeah.
But it's easy to manage once you get it all straightened out.
Uh-huh.
And cut it across here so we can cinch it down and pull it out the rear.
Like just across here?
Hmm?
Across here?
Yep. Gotta be quick. Look, Martha Stewart, just pull it. It's plastic.
Oh. Yeah, that's big enough. That is perfect.
All right, and we're just gonna let it expand.
Okay.
All right, so Brooklyn Bedding is known as a top bedding manufacturer. You all have seen the videos. You know, this is not new. We're going to try it out because I'm a natural born skeptic. But I will tell you, we have not talked to a single person that owns a Brooklyn Bedding that does not like it. That's why when they offered the bed to us to try for 120 days, we told them to ship it to us. There's no obligation. We get it for 120 days. If we don't like it, we can send it back. If we do like it, we get to keep it. And the bonus is that it's free of charge to us. It comes with a 10-year warranty. It is accurately sized. And we're going to go over that here in just a second. The main reason that we looked at Brooklyn Bedding was because our bed platform is a 70 by 80. So we're right off the bat, we're gonna, and this is dead on at 80 inches, and then we are 70 wide. I am right up against the edge right here, and that's to the seam. That's not to the bulk.
It's gonna be right at 69, 70.
Okay.
So I feel like at the fat part, it'll probably be 70 inches.
So our other mattress, we ordered a 70 by 80, and what we got was more like a 74 by 80. And it wedged into here to where this was puckered up and we couldn't put the sheets on it. So as you can see, it's very, very nice.
Feels cool to the touch.
The model that we got is the hybrid signature with the
pillow top.
The comfort pillow top, but it's a cooling pillow top. And just to the touch, it's It's already cool.
Feels very plush.
It does.
Cute.
So, the very first thing that I'm going to do I got to tell you, it's better than the couch sofa.
It's not saying that.
My first impression, get up here with me.
That's nice.
What do you think?
Oh, that's nice.
First impression is
Just tell us coming.
it's soft, but it's only soft to a certain extent. It's got support built into it.
Yeah.
And it's very cool. Mm-hmm. So I don't feel like we're going to get hot sleeping on it. But we will let y'all know, because we're going to try this out for 120 days. This is just the first video on it. And we're going to give you our true opinion. Brooklyn Bedding told us that they wanted our honest feedback.
Yeah.
So we're not going to sugarcoat it, but I can tell you at first glance, it seems to be really well made. The stitching, it's got handles on the side to move.
It doesn't feel like those foam ones, you know, when they get cold,
They get hard.
they get really hard. It doesn't feel like it's going to do that. So I'm looking forward to trying it out.
One of the things that makes Brooklyn Bedding great, besides the fact that they had a mattress that fit what we needed, it comes in a variety of sizes, for any RV, van, house, basically any size that you can think of. They make it, from twin size to full size, queen, multiple kings, RVs, Californias.
Even those funky bunk sizes, right? For
Right.
RVs?
Yeah. Here's another big thing that I don't think enough people go into when they unbox their mattress. And it doesn't have a smell. The other one smelled like plastic.
Chemicals.
And it had that foam smell, that latex smell to it. This one, it doesn't have any smell. Mm-mm. First impression, I'm impressed with the boxing. The packaging was fantastic. It arrived, no tears in the box. The wrapping of the mattress was more than adequate. Even if the box had gotten damaged, there's no way that it would have made it through I don't think it's cellophane, but it's some type of plastic wrap. If something did happen to make it through that, then the mattress itself was individually sealed inside a vacuum bag. So their packaging, I give them an A+. Their box, I give them an A+. It's just like they said it would be. That this is the medium firmness. You've got soft, medium, and firm. All right. If you don't know what size or what firmness you need, you can go to rvmattress.com, and they actually have a wizard that'll walk you through not just one person sleeping on it, but your partner sleeping on it. So you can say, Maria likes it a little bit softer, Clay likes it a little bit firmer, we both sleep hot, or we both sleep cold, or we're both neutral. It goes through hip pain, shoulder pain, and it will give you a recommendation as to what mattress and what firmness that you should go with.
Also, according to if you sleep on your back or your stomach or your side.
Yep. So that portion of it we liked. It was because when we were mattress shopping in stores, nobody asked us that. They basically said, lay down on this, and what do you think? Yeah. And we didn't know anything other than what size we needed. Let's put the sheets on it. All right, so thank y'all for watching, and we will give you an update, and we're going to give it 30 days, and then we're going to give you an update on what we actually think about sleeping on it. We may do a short tomorrow as to how we sleep tonight, because we had to sleep on the sofa last night.